Is Google Wallet not opening on your Pixel phone? App crashing, freezing, or stuck on the loading screen? Don't worry, this video will walk you through simple fixes to get Google Wallet working again on your Pixel device. Before starting, make sure that you're using a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which works better. Also, turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. Solution 1. Check NFC and device security. Make sure NFC is enabled. So, go to Settings on your device. Next, tap Connected Devices. Now tap NFC. Make sure that it is turned on. Also, confirm you have a screen lock set up. Google Wallet won't work without device security. Solution 2. Clear cache for Google Wallet. Go to Settings on your device. Then, tap Apps. Next, tap See All Apps. Now, look for Google Wallet and tap it. After that, tap Storage and Cache. Next, tap Clear Cache. This removes corrupted temporary files without deleting your cards or data. Solution 3. Update the Google Wallet app. Open the Play Store on your device and search for Google Wallet. If an update is available, then install it. Outdated app versions can cause opening and crashing issues. If this video helps you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Android and Pixel fixes, and leave a comment below if the issue persists on your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next fix.